Ever wondered why, despite getting paid, your bank account doesn't seem to reflect your hard work? What if there was a simple routine you could follow each payday to transform your financial future, especially on a tight budget? Today, we will walk you through a routine that could change the way you handle your finances forever, especially if you're navigating on a tight budget. Yes, we're talking about what to do every time you get paid to maximize your money's potential. So let's get started. Step 1. Take inventory of your finances. Before anything else, take a hard look at where you stand financially. Ask yourself, how much am I earning? What are my essential expenses? Do I have debts to pay? And most importantly, am I saving enough? It's all about knowing your starting point. Step 2. Create a budgeting blueprint. Here's where the magic starts. Budgeting isn't about restricting yourself. It's about making your money work for you. The 50-30-20 rule is a great place to start. That's 50% on needs, 30% on wants, and 20% towards savings or paying off debt. But remember, the best budget is one that fits your lifestyle, so feel free to explore other methods like zero-based budgeting or the cash envelope system. Step 3. Track your spending. Ever wonder where your money goes each month? Tracking your spending is eye-opening and essential for sticking to your budget. Use apps or good old-fashioned pen and paper, but make sure every dollar is accounted for. Step 4. Save for emergencies and retirement. No matter how tight your budget, saving for the unexpected and your future self is non-negotiable. Even a small amount set aside each month can grow over time and give you peace of mind. Step 5. Pay off debt. Debt can be a heavy burden, but with a clear strategy, it's manageable. Whether you choose the snowball method, tackling smaller debts first, or the avalanche method, focusing on high-interest debt, the goal is to free yourself from debt's grip gradually. Step 6. Plan ahead. Especially for those paid monthly, planning is crucial. Allocate your paycheck to cover all your expenses, savings, and a little extra for fun. It's all about balance and ensuring you're not caught off guard. Step 7. Adjust and persist. Your financial journey is unique, and so is your budget. Revisit and adjust your budget as needed. Stay persistent, and don't get discouraged by setbacks. Every step forward is progress toward your financial goals. And there you have it, your ultimate payday routine to take control of your finances, reduce stress, and build a brighter financial future. Try these steps with your next paycheck and let us know how it goes in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give us a like, subscribe for more financial tips, and share this video with friends who might need a money makeover. Until next time, stay smart, stay savvy, and keep your finances in check.